Three.
Is that fun, Ella? Again?
Yeah. Okay, here, we'll do it. This way is fun, too.
Oh, God.
Okay. Come sit down on that blanket. You sit down on your bum. There you go. Alright.
You better be careful, Andrew. You're in big trouble.
Okay, ready? Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wait,
Probably a little bit better because it keeps her confined in there.
Andrew, did we do this stuff when we were little?
Yes.
I think so.
I'm pretty sure you did it to me.
Okay, one more time. Henry's getting tired. One more time in the blanket.
Yeah.